deformity in her leg and limped while walking. Limp means difficulty in walking because of damaged leg or stiff leg or foot there. So she had some deformity. And then in the story, so what happens on the first day of her school, her father has been transferred from the to other city there, and she has to join to the first day of the school, and what is going to happen there. So let us read about this girl, this brave girl. Okay, children. So turn to page number 63. You can just follow the lines where I am reading. Okay, children. So Anu is remembering. So what had happened on the first day of the school there. She's saying that daddy had been transferred and it was to be my first day at the new school. So she's saying that so daddy has been transferred and it was the first day of my school. So just remembering that, and she's saying I was reluctant to go because I had no friends there. So she was thinking, she was hesitant to go there because she had no friends there. So her father has been transferred and she has to go to the new school there, and she's thinking she doesn't have any new friends, and one more point is she is having some deformity in her leg. That is another point. So like this, she was hesitant to go there. I was still dawdling over breakfast when I heard mother shout. So dawdling means what? Taking a long time. So she was wasting time. She was thinking. So over the breakfast, and her mother shouted and she said, "What's the matter with you, Anu? You will miss the bus." She will shout. Her mother will tell. So what you are doing? You are taking so long to have the breakfast. Get ready fast. So you miss the bus. Her mother will say. Then, "Mom, my leg," she will say. She's thinking of her leg. So everyone will make fun of her. So what is going to happen the first day of the school, in that new school? She is thinking there. I understood, Anu. Your limp makes you self-conscious. So her mother will understand. She will tell, your limp makes you self-conscious, but you are a brave girl. I am sure your classmates will understand. So her mother will convince her. She will say, I understand, because of your leg you are thinking whether to go or not, like that. No? So don't worry. So your friends will understand. So nothing will happen. She will convince. Your classmates will understand. Her mother will convince her. But Ma, I don't know anyone and they might laugh at me. So the Anu will tell, but I don't know anyone there. So this is new place, new children. I don't know anyone there. I don't have any friends. She will say that one. And then they might laugh at me because of my leg. She will say, you know how awful I feel when people make fun of me. Awful means what, children? Very bad. So she's saying that, I feel very bad if people make fun of me because of because she's having a deformity in her leg. She's limping while walking, so people will make fun of me and I feel very awful, she will tell. And then, I don't think it's going to be all that bad. So her mother again, she will convince you that I don't think it's going to be all that bad, so nothing is going to happen. Here's some kaju burfi for your classmates. So her mother will offer kaju burfi. She will tell, go and give this burfis to your classmates. Remember to share it with them. Now run along. Daddy will take you to school. So her mother will convince and make her to go to school, and she will give burfis also, that kaju burfi, and she will tell to share it with her friends also. And then, on reaching school, my father took me to the principal's office. So at last, Anu reached the school there, and she's remembering, on reaching school, my father took me to the principal's office. Later, the school peon took me to my class. On the way, I noticed some children staring at me and giggling, means laughing in a silly way. But with mother's words in mind, I managed to walk to the class. So she's saying that on reaching the school, her father took her to the principal's office, and then later the school peon took her to the classroom. Then she could just observe. So the children who were she could notice. So they were laughing, they were giggling, they were laughing in a silly way by seeing her. And then, but with mother's words in mind. So with mother's words in mind, I managed to walk to the class. She will say that. So whatever her mother told her, she will remember that one, and she will forget. She will not bother about the children who are laughing at her in a silly way. That she will just ignore that one. Okay. And then the teacher was already there. The teacher was there in the class. She introduced me to the class and said, Anuradha, go and sat on the chair in the in the front row. So the teacher will introduce. So her full name is Anuradha. So the teacher was already there. She introduced her to the class and said, Anuradha, go and sit on the chair in the front row. She will tell. The girl next to you is Mala. So the girl who is sitting next to you is Mala. You go and sit there. Her teacher will instruct her to sit in the classroom, the front row. Thank you, madam, she will tell. I sat and took my seat. I was happy to get a seat next to Mala. She is really very happy on seeing Mala. So she will think that she has got a new friend there. She was good looking and I liked her. So Mala is, Anu is telling that Mala was good looking and I liked her, and also felt very happy when her teacher told that to sit beside Mala. And then a little later, when the bell rang for the lunch break, I asked Mala, where do you live? Okay. And then what happened? She wanted to speak with the children. She wanted to make friends with them. So what she asked, a little later when the bell rang for the lunch break, she asked Mala, so where do you live? She asked. Mala did not answer. I thought she had not heard me. So you will think that she had not heard me what I asked her. She will think like that. I was about to repeat my question when a group of girls gathered around her desk. So Anu wanted to make friends. She was going on asking her where she is living and that everything. She wanted to ask again. By the time what happened, other girls came, and then when a group of girls gathered, they gathered around Mala, and she could not speak with her again. So they were busy talking, and Mala was telling them how she had learned to swim. So they were busy in talking. So no one noticed this Anu there. So they were busy. These other girls were busy talking with Mala, and how Mala was telling that how she was good in swimming, like that they were discussing. So everything Anu could hear that one. Okay. So children, let me stop till here. So next class, let us see what happens, whether Anu is able to make friends with the children. Okay. So let me continue the lesson in the next class, children. Okay, read the lesson. See you in the next class. Thank you.